In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of oats and revealing what nobody tells you about their incredible benefits. Many people think of oatmeal as just a boring breakfast option, but it's time to challenge that perception and explore its hidden potentials. I mean, let's be real. Oatmeal has been around for centuries, and it's been a staple in many cultures around the world. There's got to be more to it than just a bland, gooey breakfast bowl, right? Oatmeal has been touted as a healthy option, but what does that really mean? Is it just a marketing ploy, or is there some real substance behind those claims? In today's video, we're going to explore the world of oats and uncover the secrets that nobody talks about, from its incredible nutritional benefits to the surprising ways you can prepare it. We're going to delve into the world of oats and come out the other side with a newfound appreciation for this humble grain. Whether you're a longtime oatmeal fan or just looking for a healthy breakfast option, this video is for you. One of the biggest misconceptions about oatmeal is that it's only good for breakfast. But the truth is, oatmeal can be enjoyed at any time of day, and it can be prepared in a multitude of ways. That'll make your taste buds do the happy dance. From savory oatmeal bowls to sweet oatmeal cookies, there's no limit to what you can create with this versatile grain. We'll dive into the different types of oats, from steel cut to rolled to instant, and explore their unique characteristics and benefits. We'll talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is oatmeal and how it can improve your digestion, lower your cholesterol, and even boost your mental health. We'll discuss the different types of oats, their nutritional value, and how to prepare them in exciting ways that you'll actually look forward to. We'll explore the world of oatmeal toppings, from fresh fruits to nuts and seeds, and show you how to create the perfect oatmeal bowl that's both delicious and nutritious. Stepping away from the breakfast table, we'll talk about the various ways you can incorporate oatmeal into your daily routine, from oat-based snacks to oat-infused desserts. We'll even explore the world of oat-based skincare and hair care, and show you how this humble grain can be used to pamper and nourish your skin and hair. The big reveal will be the surprising health benefits of oatmeal, including how it can improve digestion, lower cholesterol, and even boost mental health. We'll explore the science behind oatmeal's health benefits and show you how incorporating it into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. From reducing inflammation to supporting healthy gut bacteria, oatmeal is the ultimate superfood that deserves to be celebrated. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge and inspiration you need to transform your meals and your health with the mighty oat.